Hi there, 7th grade. Mr. Hildebrand here. I am making this video as some instructions on how to make a copy of a Google Doc so you can use it as a template. This next assignment we have, it's very, very important that you follow these directions, because if you don't, you're going to mess up the Google Doc for everyone and nobody will be able to use it, and then that's going to be a big issue. Okay, so please follow these directions. So this is just a sample assignments page. It kind of looks similar to what my normal assignments page looks like. Obviously, if you found this video, you're on the right assignment page for the week. But what you would do is you would go to the first assignment, and we see that, hey, it's a Greek mythology yearbook. I have a note here saying, before clicking the link, watch this video. You're watching this video, so you found that. And it's going to explain, this video basically explains how you can make your own copy of My Google Doc. So that way you don't have to do any extra work, and that way you won't mess the Google Doc up for anybody else. So if you click on this link after watching this video, you'll see it'll pop up and it'll say Greek Mythology Yearbook Template. Okay. Here you're going to put your name. You'll after you copy it. Okay. Before we get to any typing, don't type. We're going to copy it first. All the instructions are here. It'll tell you exactly what to do. Let's make a copy of this first. That way you don't have to go and make all these old boxes yourself. You don't have to go and figure out how to format it. And you can just type right on here after you make a copy. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and go to, I believe it's File, Make a Copy. Okay, File, Make a Copy. And you see how it says Copy of Greek Mythology Yearbook Template. What you're going to do is just say copy of Greek Mythology Yearbook, and then you know what? Just put your last name on here. Okay? Just put your last name on here. That way when it pops up in your Google Docs in a minute on your drive, you'll be able to find it. Okay? Then it says folder My Drive. My Drive. That's a perfect place to put it. That's a perfect place to put it. You can just click OK, and it's going to make a copy and send it to your drive. Okay? So you just made a copy. It's a copy of Greek Mythology Yearbook Hildebrand. Now, just to make sure, if we go to Google, we go to our drive, and you're probably going to want to go through the school district website, the student portal, you can see, boom, it just made a copy. I can click on it, open it, and yep, it says copy of Greek Mythology Yearbook Hildebrand. Now, this is how you know, after you've made a copy and you found it in your drive, this is how you know that it's your own copy and nobody else can touch it. It just belongs to you. If you are on the assignments page and you open it up and it just opens up the template and you just start typing right on here, the next person who comes along and does the same thing you do, they're going to mess up all your work. It's going to get rid of the stuff that you put. Okay? So that's why it's so important that you make a copy. You have to make a copy so that when you go to your drive, you can click on it and it pops up and you see that it's just yours. It doesn't belong to anybody else. So let me show you how to do that again. Okay? We're on the template. Okay, we start at the assignments page. We click the link. It opens up the template. Okay, it should say template. You're going to go to File, Make a Copy. It's going to say Copy of Greek Mythology Yearbook Template. If I were you, just so you can recognize it, and I can find it later, get rid of the word template and type in your last name. So, for example, if your last name is Smith, okay, put Smith. Make sure that says My Drive. If not, you're going to have to click this and change it to something else. But My Drive is perfect. Okay? So click My Drive, select if you need to, and say OK. It will generate a new copy. It should just pop up, but if it doesn't pop up, go to your drive, refresh if it's already open, click on the most recent document because you just did this. And you see it says copy of Greek Mythology Yearbook Smith. Okay, so this is how we know it's just your copy. Nobody else owns this. Nobody else can edit it. So then you can get on and put your name at the top. Type it right in this box. You can follow all the directions on how to make this yearbook for your Greek mythology. You can go down through, look at the example that I have for you here. A good example of what would get an A. Go down through, you're picking your characters, your gods and goddesses, your heroes, your creatures, adding the pictures, adding the information, okay, using Google to help you, or a textbook if I sent one with you, okay. And then at the very end, what you do is just like normal, you'll click Share, you'll type in my last name, Hildebrand, okay, TJ Hildebrand right there, click that, and then you're going to click Send, okay? And that will send it to me, and it'll send me an email. And that'll send me a copy of just yours, okay? If you're not sure and you're a little confused, please, please, please watch this video again. That way you can pick up on what you need, and we don't mess things up for other people, and that way other people don't have access to your copy and they mess with your stuff. If you still have questions, please send me an email. I'd love to help. All right, thanks, folks. Have a good day.